Well, this isn't a how-to video as such, this is just more of an advice video that might help with your troubleshooting. But yeah, this is on maximum, this is our hot tap, and we're not getting any hot water really. Very poor flow and very tepid water. And this is our boiler, it's the Vaillant EcoTec Pro28. It's about 10 years old. Unfortunately we've had to have a major part replaced, and it was this heat exchanger plate here, so that was completely gummed up. So this one is slightly different, pattern slightly changed on that one. There's this one, the original in my hand, and there's the new one. So the lines are slightly different. It's probably just the outer casing, but yeah, slightly revised part perhaps. There's also a inlet pipe here, and there's a filter on this which you may need to clean. You need to remove this and unbolt that, so it depends if you're happy with removing that one, but that was one of the issues. But the main issue was this heat exchanger here was completely blocked, so let's go and check it out. And here is the plate. So this has been removed. Our gas engineer has replaced this entire part, and inside we've got 4 holes. So the boiler water, the hot fired water, comes in here, goes through this and comes back out of here, and the cold water for your hot taps comes in here, gets heated by heat transfer, and then comes out of this pipe and goes to your hot water tap. So they're two separate. There's a separation in between here, so this is just from the boiler, and that's heated by the boiler and then sent back out, and this is pure cold water heated and then sent to your hot taps. And we can clearly make out there that it's got some serious crud in there. I'll put some better pictures up, but yeah, there's some serious, well, it seems to be limescale, but also seems to be almost like a powdery or a gel. So we do have a BWT Combi-Care filter. I'm wondering if that and the limescale has blocked this up together. This is 10 years old, so it's had quite a bit of water through it, but let's go and check the flow rate so you can just see what the result is. Right, let's check out the flow of this heat exchanger. So we've got the boiler water here, this is hot water, and you've got the transfer to the cold water to heat that up. Let's see what happens. So here's the boiler water first. So really good flow there, you can see that one. Let's try this side, which should be the cold, which gets the heat from the boiler water and then sends it out to your hot taps. So I'm already getting pressure. Yeah, nowhere near as much. There's the boiler water, this one. So that is seriously blocked. And then you can see that. Well, it's taken about half an hour of sawing and quite a few hacksaw blades to get through this, but really interesting. So there we are, there's the Vaillant exchanger block, and I thought it was just simply water coming in and going straight out, water coming in and going straight out, but no, there's actually like a mesh here, and we can see the clean areas and the blocked areas. So all of the cold water coming in and being heated, which was the restricted flow, has got blocked. And I thought it was just literally on one side going out, but no, it meshes and mixes, which makes perfect sense actually when you think about it. But yeah, all these are blocked, where that central heating water that's heated and exchanging with the cold water, look at that, that's really blocked. So it was definitely needing a replacement, but the technology is, well, it's quite impressive. There we go, you can see there's the better one there. That's the blocked side. So it obviously just mixes and meshes as it comes through, like a honeycomb effect. Cool, what a piece of technology. And that's what's heating the hot water. So from cold, coming in, mixing with the hot, going out to your hot tap as, well, up to 60 degrees really. Just going to use a cocktail stick. Oh yeah, gross. It's weird. Is this limescale or is this runoff from that BWT Combi-Care filter? It's weird. Not really too sure what's caused that blockage. I think it's a mixture of both. Yeah, look at that. It's not terribly impressed with that. I was hoping it would be fairly clean after 10 years. Replacing the filter every year. God, it's a right mess, isn't it? It's not hard, it's almost like it's soft. Yeah, it's really milky. So limescale is normally, you know, quite hard, chalky stuff, but maybe the filters help to keep it moist, but there we go, look. It's almost like a paste. Well, for the next 10 years, I'm not going to replace that filter, and we'll see what happens with just pure hard water going through this. When it breaks again, which probably will, we'll see what it looks like inside again. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with how that's designed. A nice honeycomb structure to mix the two water paths. Quite cool. Okay, it's been fixed. Let's see what it's like. Much better. Just wait for the boiler to fire, because now we're getting so much more water through here. There we go, boiler's fired up. And here we go, getting nice and hot. So yeah, that's, wow, massively improved. Yeah, it's getting nice and hot, so a good fix. Cool. What a difference. So yeah, if you get that with yours, it could be the heat exchanger. Best of luck. Thanks for watching.